Vinakavakalevu to the Vanua of Tailevu, Naitasiri, and Rewa. Agriculture farmers, government officials, ladies and gentlemen, Bula Vinaka, and a good morning to you all. First, I would like to thank you for availing yourselves here at our Wainibokasi Fisheries Service Center, and I'm indeed honored to be part of this occasion. Ladies and gentlemen, we are currently faced with the unprecedented challenges brought about by COVID-19 and the three cyclones that had hit us in a span of 5 years, Sarai, Tino, and Harold. TC Harold has left a devastating impact on lives of all Fijians. For fish farmers, a total of 53 aquaculture sites with a value of about 300,000 were affected during TC Harold. Additionally, the impact of COVID-19 have worsened our ability to operate viably due to disruption of support services. Having visited rural communities around Fiji, I have witnessed firsthand the struggles and the needs brought about due to COVID-19 and the recent natural disasters. Therefore, the Fiji government, through the Ministry of Fisheries, have been initiating programs at helping communities. These are all in support of government vision of sustaining economic development for food security and maintaining sustainability of resources. I have said that the Ministry of Fisheries is here today to support exceptional and hardworking aquaculture farmers through the feed supply program. As part of the Ministry's post-COVID and TC Harold rehabilitation program, we are determined to restore and elevate food security. We have assessed feed as a vital component in the recovery phase for the aquaculture sector. Therefore, we are ready to support the over 50% farmers situated here in the Central Division. The Ministry of Fisheries will be handing out 250 bags of tilapia, prawn, and shrimp farm feeds that were affected. All farmers sitting here have been identified for this assistance, and I trust that this assistance will provide some relief to your current operations as you try to advance and be self-sufficient. Noting that aquaculture is one of the immediate solutions to addressing food security, resource sustainability, climate change, our aim is to increase production of tilapia fries, shrimp post-larvae through innovative and tangible approaches. To achieve this, government and private hatcheries are putting all resources together to achieve our targets and maximize supplies to farmers across Fiji. We have developed plans to expand and maximize scope of assistance to food security and commercial aquaculture farmers. This would include pond management, infrastructure improvement, and development. To our farmers present today, the Ministry is determined to work with you. We will provide the assistance to you, and I would advise that you take advantage of all these initiatives. I would like to remind you to put aside operational funds to reinvest profits in your establishment to help boost self-sufficiency. We all have a part to play. I encourage you all to start to think big and dream bigger, especially when it comes to your development and business ventures. Our economy is diversifying, our industries are evolving, and new opportunities are arising. I am optimistic that we will experience the growth in our systems in the coming months and years. To conclude, you now have the opportunity to take ownership of your future, improve your communities, and prove now than ever that all Fijians are able to achieve our dreams through partnership and determination. Vinaka Vakalevu, and thank you. lau ina lo